Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can create a Mekko chart with percentage axis in ThinkCell. So this Mekko chart uses variable column width and height to display where both axes represent 100%. And we normally use this to analyze complex datasets such as market shares or portfolio composition by showing the relative proportions of the categories alongside the overall significance of each of the groups that we have. So in order for us to create this Mekko chart with percentage axis, under elements, we will select charts and then come down to here where we have Mekko charts percentage axis, click on it and then place it on our slide. So once that is done, you're going to see that we have series labels here and category labels here, which we can change to suit the analysis that we are doing. So let's say we are working with 3 products, which we are testing from 3 of the locations. We have branches. We are going to open our data sheet, then make adjustments to represent this. So the 3 products that we are testing are product A, product B, and product C. And we are testing this in the following cities. We are testing the product in Abuja. We are testing the product in Lagos and in Accra. Now you can see here we have various values of the total ratings that we got from each of these locations. So we want to know where we have the bigger ratings as well as the product with the bigger ratings. So if we come to our chart now, you can see from here that for product A, we had 55% satisfaction in Accra compared to in Lagos and in Abuja. And for product B, we had 85% satisfaction rating compared to Lagos and Abuja, which is telling us how this our product is doing well in Accra compared to these other 2 locations. You can also see from here that product B performs way better than all these other products, but specifically performs very well in Accra. So this helps us to channel our decisions and our strategy based on this data that we have here. And this is just how you can use the Mekko chart to be able to create charts that enable you to use various column widths and heights to be able to tell effective stories that can drive strategic decisions in organizations. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.